A case study on elicitation of aura migraine via pulmonary arteriovenous fistula. By Eustachio Maria Onorato, Josefal Salvia, Mariano Becina, Tommaso Cipolla and Gian Paolo Anjola. A pulmonary arteriovenous fistula, PAVM, is defined as a congenital abnormal communication between the pulmonary artery and its tributary vein, creating a low resistance, high flow right to left shunting, RLS, bypassing the capillary bed. PAVM is an abnormal blood vessel that creates a direct connection between a pulmonary artery and its tributary vein, bypassing the capillary filter, establishing, as a consequence of a low resistance right to left shunting, RLS. The vast majority of PAVMs are congenital, appearing more often in females than in males. A great number of patients with PAVMs are suffering concurrently from hereditary hemorrhagic telangiectasia, HHT, whose incidence is around 1 in 5,000. Very few cases of acquired PAVMs have been described in the literature. Paradoxical embolism through PAVMs can cause systemic desaturation, cyanosis, and serious cerebrovascular ischemic events, transient ischemic attacks, strokes, and intracranial abscess, even when the abnormal blood vessel is small, diameter less than 3 mm. Notably, it has been reported a high prevalence of aura migraine, MHA, symptoms in patients with PAVMs and concomitant HHT. In this study, the case of a young aura migraine female patient without HHT in whom isolated PAVM below the detection limit of pulmonary angiography and chest computed tomography angiography (CTA) has been documented by contrast transthoracic and transesophageal echocardiography (CTTET), showing a delayed greater than 17s RLS coming from left pulmonary veins to left atrium, while a patent foramen ovale (PFO) small atrial septal defects or septum primum fenestration could not be detected. Despite several attempts, contrast transcranial Doppler (CTCD) confirmed a delayed greater than 16s RLS with two short shower patterns corroborating the diagnosis of an extracardiac RLS. During the right heart catheterization and pulmonary angiography, it was impossible to cross the intraarterial septum with a multipurpose catheter. The patient was finally discharged with off-label thienopyridine agents, clopidogrel 75 mg di, in terms of primary prophylaxis for paradoxical right-to-left embolization of thrombotic material. Aura migraine symptoms were nearly abolished by P2Y12 platelet inhibition, suggesting a platelet-based mechanism. During 2 years of clinical follow-up on thienopyridine therapy, the resolution of aura migraine episodes was definitively accomplished with significant improvement in her quality of life. In summary, a case of a patient was presented with isolated intrapulmonary RLS below the detection limit of pulmonary angiography and CTA, whose aura migraine symptoms resolved following P2Y12 platelet inhibition with a considerable improvement in her quality of life. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.